Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil in a Ford Bronco. First, let's prepare by gathering all necessary items. You will need 6 quarts of SAE 5W30 full synthetic engine oil and a new Motorcraft oil filter. Also, have a fresh drain plug gasket ready. Essential tools include a 15mm socket, a T30 Torx bit, and a reliable torque wrench. Don't forget a drain pan, large enough to hold at least 6 quarts of old oil. Now, let's get to draining the old oil. First, warm your Bronco's engine for a few minutes, then park it safely on a level surface. Next, you'll need to remove the front skid plate, typically secured by T30 Torx and 15mm bolts. Once the skid plate is off, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Use a 15mm socket to carefully remove the drain plug and let all 6 quarts of engine oil drain out. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new. Clean your drain plug thoroughly and install it with a fresh gasket, tightening it to 22 foot-pounds. Next, locate and remove the old oil filter, then install your new Motorcraft filter, hand tightening it plus 3/4 of a turn. Now, carefully pour 6 quarts of fresh SAE 5W30 full synthetic oil into the engine. Replace the oil fill cap and visually inspect for any leaks. You're almost done. Reinstall the front skid plate, ensuring all bolts are securely fastened. Start your Bronco's engine for a few moments to circulate the new oil, then turn it off. Now, check the oil level using the dipstick and add a small amount if it's not at the full mark. Finally, reset the oil life monitor by navigating through your steering wheel controls to Settings, then Vehicle, and holding OK on oil life until it resets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.